Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to my succulent plants garden. Thank you guys like my video and my plants. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. You guys see that? What is it? That is my lovely rose. The lovely rose is so beautiful now. Really happy. That lovely rose, you guys remember? Before, I think 1 year ago, I shared it, some lovely rose for you guys. Hope you guys the lovely rose now. Mine is so beautiful now. You guys see it? How about you guys there? Not bad. And I have a lot lovely rose because I'm very like it them. And I show you guys. And that one, you guys see that? So beautiful. And here also. Very, very good. Another time I'm very, very like it lovely rose. That's why I bought a lot. And the same time I have another one also. Look at that. Very cutie. Lovely rose with the flower pot, but you guys see it look like a little bit empty because have two heads is gone. That's why. But now because was that one is get sick, and now it's so beautiful. Oh my god. After they get sick here, like that, and that one here, later on I put some pill again. Almost they be well. Okay. and you guys see that? That is from my Akikete. Use the list. That's the first one. And I think it is 1 year now. Now it's so good. Looks so beautiful and multi head. See it? That one head and at the bottom have a baby also. And that one I'm not sure. But look like the flowers. I think that the flowers that the head. Okay, let's later. Wow, very good. And getting the lovely rose is so easy, so beautiful, much better health, uh, healthy than that. And that's the second time. Wow, so beautiful. See? Wonderful. They're from only one lid. See? Very, very nice. And lovely rose, they have well, vacation also. I have one only. That the vacation lovely rose, guys. Really, really beautiful. Oh my god. I'm sorry. And I take some leaf from it and try to pack it either. Very beautiful. Oh my god. I hope I can get some from it because the the vacation one is the they easy burn the baby, but not easy get green and the color together. Mostly all the leaves for me. One time I took a couple leaves from them, only kept me one plant is have green and with the color. Mostly all with color. The all with color is the mother leaf is dry up. The plant not can be long time. Wow, very beautiful. And I see that guy. That called rose also, lovely rose also, but that one have the say eyes lovely rose. Exactly the variegation is it. But at the spring coming, oh my god, look at that. The color no more. But the clear, the light, see the size look look like the glass. The clear size is so there, so beautiful. Oh my god! Even like that green, I'm so love it. That's why. And that 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 girl is so expensive. And the white glue one, the white glue one is around $10 you can get. But that one is so expensive. That's why I cannot buy that much. I hope I can get some from the little Pakikele, okay? My god, I'm so love that guys. Beauty. And do you know why I do the video for the lovely rose? Since they have the cutie names lovely rose. And tomorrow is the Mother Day. That's why today I sew up my beautiful flowers rose. That is for all the mother. Happy Mother Day, guys. Hope you guys like it, the gift, even just for look. Okay? Thank you so much. And hope you guys help me up. Okay? Then I can keep going to do package, use the list, package some plan and share you guys. Okay? And help me up, please. Thumbs up. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and happy Mother's Day, okay? Thank you. Love you guys. Hope to see you next video. Bye bye.